These are just a few of the creative ways I've displayed these succulents I received yesterday. This is my second online purchase here in the Philippines, and this time I am so pleased with what I got. I've been waiting for this shipment all day, so I did not leave the house just to make sure I'm around when the boxes arrive, and of course I want to open them right away. And finally, they are here! So, it is time for another unboxing. Hello everyone, my name is Teresa of Chopstick and Succulents, and in today's video, let's open these 3 boxes of succulents. Let's check the first one. The whole box is dry and the plants are nicely wrapped in tissue papers, just like our previous shipment. I can feel this is really dry, which is how it is supposed to be. Look how big and beautiful this one is. It does not have any extra moisture underneath. And just like our previous shipment, the root part is separately wrapped, keeping the rosette clean. We have some shriveled leaves at the bottom, but they are dry. This is normal because the plant used up the moisture from these leaves. This is so nice. I like this. These plants didn't come with any identification, so I am not going to do any ID in this video because I do not want to mislead you or give you any wrong information. But if you know the names of these plants, I would greatly appreciate it if you can leave your comments below. Here's another good-sized echeveria. See, this is how it is supposed to be. Chunky but not bloated. The moisture is inside their storage cells. If you look closer, you'll see some white watermarks. It could be due to minerals present in the water. This won't harm the plants. To avoid this, it is better to use rainwater or avoiding their leaves when watering if you can. Oh, here's another big one. I'm wondering what's inside. Look! Oh my gosh, so colorful! A cluster of echeverias. You can tell how big this one is by the size of my hand, right? And it's completely dry. The roots are dry, the leaves are dry, and this shriveled leaf, even though I press it, there's no moisture coming out. This is really beautiful. Okay, next. Oh, I feel like I want to order again. Okay, so this one has 2 flowers. And these lower leaves are a little bit moist. So I learned from my previous shipment that to avoid further damages, these mushy leaves need to be taken out before air drying the plants. Let's get another one. This seller really did a good job air drying and packing these plants. I am definitely going to buy more from this seller. Now, this one also has leaves arranged into rosettes. But if you notice, this is not a low-growing echeveria. The stems are longer. I am thinking this is already an intergenetic hybrid. For example, this could be a cross between Graptopetalum and echeveria, which is Graptoveria. Correct me if I'm wrong and comment below if you know the name of this one. Let's have another one. I got 2 heads here, and this needs grooming. To clean this one, just remove the dry leaves in between them. The tweezer for succulents is the best tool to groom these plants. I will leave a link in the description below where you can get the tool. I think this is going to be a very long video if I'm going to open the whole box. We will do half this time and we can do more unboxing in the future. What do you think? This one is a bit moist, but because the tissue packing is thick, the moisture got absorbed by the tissues. The neighboring plants remain dry. It is wet because there's some leaves that are mushy and started leaking. And again, we have to remove them to prevent further damage. This is another beautiful cluster. Looks like I'm getting a lot of clusters. You see, I saw more succulent sets on sale and they are all beautiful, so I took them all. Let's check this one. Oh, I think we've opened the same one like this earlier. Yeah. Now look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. It looks like a flower or a colorful cabbage. Really nice and dry. Wow, look at this beautiful cluster. What can I say? Just so beautiful. What are these? They look like tiny balls. Look, can you see that? So unique. This is the first time I saw this. Look at this variegated one. It has pinkish red tip with white and yellow variegation on its leaves. Can you see it? So beautiful. Looks like they're getting more and more beautiful, don't you think? Look at this. See? Another cluster. This one has a bluish gray tone. So compact. Very nice. Here's another beautiful cluster. Oh, look at this. Look, another beautiful cluster. Now this one has a flower. Some echeveria flowers are not that gorgeous, so sometimes it is better to remove them to prevent pest infestations. Now look at this one. This is something different. Of course, definitely not an echeveria, but this is a nice trailing one. Here's another compactor set. And lastly, another pretty chunky purple. This one can easily be propagated from leaves. You'll know it because the leaf can easily be detached from the stem, which are often intact. And that's our unboxing for today. I hope you had fun watching and that you learned something also. And guys, if you have not subscribed for my channel, please subscribe, and also please like my new Facebook page, The Real Chopstick and Succulents. Take care everyone!